Hello, Bachcha Party. Once again, welcome back to another lecture of Standard 9 of chapter number 5th, the fundamental unit of life. So, we had discussed in the previous lecture about the cells, type of cells. There is two type of cells, multi and the unicellular. Over there, how now the question is that how the cell is made up of. Then cell is made up of the three types that plasma membranes, or we can say the cell membranes, the nucleus and the cytoplasm. So we had first type we had studied about that plasma membranes, or we can say the cell membranes. Now we reached on the second thing, that the nucleus. So if you had not seen the video previous lecture, go in the playlist and watch the video. This is Sufyan Sarwar explaining you the easy way, the science, because science बहुत आसान है. Clear? So now what is the nucleus? So it direct and control the cellular activity. What they are doing, it's control the cellular activity. All the activities are done by the particular cells is directly controlled by when it's a nucleus. Clear? In eukaryotic cell, a well-defined nucleus is present, while in prokaryotic a well-defined nucleus is absent. So there is a two type of cells. One is a eukaryotic and another is a prokaryotic. That we will study in our next slide. So let's study what is that. In the eukaryotic cell, the nucleus is present in the well defined. You can observe it. Yes, this is the nucleus. Clear? But in the prokaryotic, when you observe, the cell is absent, or we can say the well defined cell is absent. Cell nucleus is एवरीवेयर. न्यूक्लियस तो हर एक जगह पे होगा ही, लेकिन कहीं पे वेल डिफाइंड होगा, कहीं पे नहीं होगा, अच्छे से दिखेगा, अच्छे से नहीं दिखा. Okay, if you want to see the nucleus in their cells, so in the particular this type of era, you can observe it that you can made it the egg. आप अंडा बनाओ, ठीक है, तो अंडे के अंदर that yellow portion is like a what, it's like a nucleus, and the white portion which is made is what, it's a cytoplasm. ये आपको समझने के लिए और देखने के लिए, because egg is made up of the single cell. Clear बच्चा बात? Now it has a double layer covering called the nucleus membrane. Now we had already studied that the cytoplasm is covered by, this is the cytoplasm, clear, and it is covered by the double layer, so it is called the cell membranes. Clear? Now here also tell that the nucleus is also covered by double layer, so its name is what, it's the nuclear membranes. We will discuss this, what is that. Clear? Nuclear membranes has porous which regulate the movement of the material in and out. Clear? So in the nucleus we will draw in what is that. Clear? So this is suppose our cytoplasma, this is the nucleus. Clear? And the covering region, this is what nuclear membranes बाहर का कवर कर रहा है, ठीक है. Over there is a small type of a porous. Clear? Porous मतलब खड्डे. Why there is a porous? Because it's what they are doing, regulate the movement. Clear? Of materials. Material को अंदर बाहर आने के लिए वो काम आता है. Clear? So next point is what, that inside the nucleus membranes it contain nucleus, chromosomes and the chromatins material. Now inside the nucleus there is a three things. That one is the nucleus. Nucleus we know very well that it's a nuclear. Another thing is that what, chromosome, and next thing is that chromatin. What type of thing is that? Let's look at here. Now chromatin is, now this one we are studying. Clear? Which one? In the nucleus we are going to study this portion. What is that chromatin? Chromatin is made up of what? Its material consists of DNA. It is made from the DNA. What is DNA? It's a deoxyribonucleic acid and the protein. Clear? This made is from the DNA and the protein. Clear? Now what is DNA actually? DNA is a simple that it's from the you had seen from many of the movies and many of the serial that doctor are saying that we can do the DNA test. Why? Because it's give the knowledge about your parenting एंड द जेनेटिक कि आपके पेरेंट्स के और आपके वो मैसेज वो कैरी करता है उसके अंदर कि आपके और आपके पेरेंट्स के अंदर जो डीएनए अंदर का जो सेल्स है वो सेम टाइप का है. क्लियर? मोस्ट ऑफ द सीन यू हैड सीन दैट इफ द particular grandfather have any of the disease, then it comes to their son or daughter or the grandson or the granddaughter. Why? Because of the DNA, because it's carry all of the things. Clear? It's like a storage. Clear? Now that chromosomes contain formation of inheritance of features from parents to next generation. Clear? Now chromatin is made of consist of what? DNA and the protein. Clear? And chromosome is carrying what? It's carrying the information of inherited, मतलब कि आपके पूर्वज के inherited features from the parents and next generation. You have your parents have such type of abilities. Suppose that suppose in particular if you think about the Chris movie. Clear? So in the Chris movie that Rohit Mehra have such type of ability, they have superpowers. After that their powers comes to their child. Clear? Krishna. Clear? So how they comes? With the use of that chromosome or we can say the DNA. Clear? Now there is we had also discussed about the type of cell. Two type. One is an prokaryotic and another is a eukaryotic. What is a prokaryotic? Very minute in size. Prokaryotic cell is very minute in size. Nucleus region not surrounded by nuclear membranes. Means nuclear membranes is absent. Means this is our cytoplasm. This is cell membranes. This is the nucleus. But the covering region is absent. There is a presence of nucleus, but the covering region is what? It's absent. Clear? And it is what? It is single chromosome present. You can take the example of the bacteria. In the bacteria there is a prokaryotic and there is a nucleus is also present, but what? The nuclear membranes is not present. Yeah. Now in the eukaryotic, large in size, nucleus surrounded by the nuclear membranes. This is our the diagram. In the nucleus there is surrounded by nuclear membranes. More than one chromosomes are present. So here there is a not a single, more than one chromosome. This is more than one chromosome present in eukaryotic. You can take the example of the amoeba, human, animal, plant, etc. Clear? Now the third thing is what? Cytoplasm. You had already studied the cell membranes and the nucleus. Nucleus we will know very well that in each and everything there is a presence of the nucleus. Clear? Now the cytoplasm. Clear? We had studied what? The cell membranes upper portion. Clear? Then the middle portion we had studied. Now the rest of the things that this portion we will study now. सर ये इतना खाली है तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, कैसा होगा? क्योंकि हमने बाहर का स्टडी कर लिया, अंदर का कर लिया. Now we are at this position. Clear? So let's discuss what is that. Cytoplasm, the liquid part of the cell in which other organic fluid is called cytoplasm. We know very well that in the human there is a presence of what? Organism. Here is what? The liquid part. Here we know very well that this portion is what? It's a liquid portion. So liquid part of the cell in which other organic fluid. Other organic means what? It's the organs. Clear? In the human body there is a presence of heart, kidney. This is the organs. Clear? So in the cells also there is a presence of organs. So there is known as organelle. Clear? And it is called a cytoplasm. Clear? Now what is that? One is that cytosol and another is a cell organelle. What is that cytosol? the aqueous component of the what cytoplasm. So in the particular aqueous component means what it's so full of the water. पानी वाला जो भी component होगा ना, that is known as what aqueous. Clear? So it's a cytoplasm. And what is cell organy? These are the internal organs of the cells. What the internal organs that we have already discussed, that in the human body the internal organs are what? Heart, kidney. This is the internal organ. Clear? But in the cell also there is a presence of organs. They are known as organics. So in the cell there is a internal organs responsible for carrying out specific job. Like our heart is carrying the heartbeat from that transport of blood, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Kidney is purifying the particular water in the waste product they are throwing out. मतलब हर organ का कुछ ना कुछ अलग काम होता है. Like in the particular cell also there is a specific job of the organs. So they are carrying by that organisms. So keep the cell alive. What they keep the cell alive. अगर वो मर गया, अंदर के जितने ऑर्गन्स वो डेथ हो गए तो वो सेल भी मर जाएगा. लाइक इफ our kidneys or the heart is not working, then means what? The person is not live alive. So it maintains all the systems. Clear? So cell organism, another point is given that living part of the cell having definite shape. Clear? So particular living part of the cell, they have definite shape, structure and function by plasma membrane. Clear? They have particular functions they can do it. Now we have question that sir, our body have a particular different type of organs and we know very well that it's the heart, kidney and many of that. So is it we know very well about the cells organs? क्या हमें उसके नाम और सब पता है? Yes, बच्चा पार्टी. Look at here. The first organ is what? Endoplasmic reticulum. Is also known as what? Is also known as ER. Clear? Second is a Golgi apparatus. Third is a lysosomes. Fourth is a mitochondria. Fifth is plastid, and sixth is vacuoles. And another also is a ribosome. Clear? That we will discuss at the last, that what is that. Clear? So one by one we will study what is that endoplasmic reticulum is also known as ER. Before go through that, let's understand about the cell, that where they are present, कहाँ पे है एनिमल और प्लांट के सेल के अंदर ये सारी चीज कहाँ कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है वो हम देख लेते हैं. ये बच्चा बारे. So this portion is known as what? It's a cell wall. Clear? In the plant we know very well that there is a presence of what? Cell wall, hard portion. Now this yellow color covering portion is known as what? It's the plasma membrane that covers what? That covers the particular nucleus. Clear? Then the center portion you had seen here by the green color I am making. Clear? We will change the color. Okay, so this blue color is what? It's the nucleus. Now Golgi aperture is this. This is a parallel line, you can observe it here. This is a Golgi apparatus. Clear? And they are always parallel to each other. Then plastid, or we can say the chloroplast. This is present here also, here is also present, here is also present, and here is also present about it. Clear? Now the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, is present over this portion. This is covering the portion, outer portion of the particular nucleus. Nucleus के बाहर के region को cover करेगा. That you can observe it at this. This is clear. Now we will at the what? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is this. Clear? And we know very well that liquid which is present in the nucleus is an cytoplasm. Clear? Now we will end. Another we had also here we had complete that ribosome, where they are. So they are at, so ribosome is present at this upper portion. I will draw it here. I had drawn something that this is our word, this is our ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Over there you can observe that small dots. Clear? This dots is what? This dot is what? It's a ribosome. Here you can see it. Clear? That we will observe it in the bigger large diagram, so you can understand very well. Clear? Now this is our animal cell. Animal cell is also similar like that, but there is no presence of what? Cell wall. Clear? In the previous we had seen the cell wall, but here is not a cell wall. Here is directly what? Is a plasma membrane, this red portion. Then Golgi apertures. Clear? So this is our Golgi apertures. Then rhizomes, that is present in the ER. Here is a dot type of portion is available. This is a rhizosomes. Then nucleus, this is our nucleus. Clear? We'll do it with a different color so we can understand betterly. Now this small type of a ball is known as what? Is the lysosomes. Then another thing is about mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. Clear? Now as we had seen in the previous also about that what near that nucleus there is a presence of a thing is what? It's a ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Over there ER there is a presence of what? Rhizosomes. We can see it here. Clear? And we know very well about the cytoplasm. It's a liquid. Yeah. Now what is one by one? Let's study what is that. First is endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah. So endoplasmic reticulum is what? It is a network of membranes present in the word cytoplasm. Clear? So in the previous you had seen that networks, nucleus के आजू बाजू में सारे networks एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े थे. It's what? It's the endoplasmic reticulum. We can also known as ER. So we will discuss about only ER. Okay. Now this is of the two type. Clear? And these are present in what? Eukaryotic cell only, not in the prokaryotic cell. So it's a two type. One is that SER, another is RER. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum and RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is a smooth? So it is made up of tubules. Clear? Means a small type of balls. It help in manufacture of fats. What they are help in manufacturing of what? Fats molecules, steroids, lipid. Ribosomes is absent. Clear? What is that? There is an absence of ribosomes. Yeah. So there is the absence of ribosomes. So in the last question we will study it, what is ribosome, but for the small information, the ribosome is what? It's one type of a thing which can generate the energy. Clear? Or we can say the proteins. वो proteins को generate करता है. In the ribosomes there is they generate what? Proteins, or we can say the energy. So here is what? Here is the fat molecules, steroids and lipid, but there is the absence of ribosome. But in the rough endoplasmic reticulum RER is made up of the vesicles and also help in the manufacturing of proteins. So we had studied that rhizosomes only manufacture the protein. So it is possible that the presence of ribosome. So yes, it contains what? Rhizosomes. Only its surface. Over the surface you can see this type of structure over there. There is a small type of presence. So over the surface there is a presence of ribosomes. Clear? Now how they work ER? Let's study. Here is work in the transport material between the what? Between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Clear? They are working on the transportation. Clear? Particular from the cytoplasm, from the liquid region to that ER, they are just transporting in and out of that particular things. ये मटेरियल को अंदर बाहर आने के लिए वो काम आता है, फंक्शन करता है. It provides space for the biochemical activity. Biochemical activity means simple that It's a chemical reaction. Clear? It helps in synthesize fats, steroids, cholesterols, etc. Clear? So it also help in what? It's a help in the synthesize, means it can manufacture the fat, steroids, cholesterols, this type of thing they are manufacturing. Clear? Now also they are helping, this is the most IMP thing, this is the most IMP thing. This from this thing we can ask the question, it is most IMP thing, उसमें से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है 1 मार्क्स का, that it help in detoxification of poisonous product. If there is if in our body there is a presence of particular poisonous thing, so they can break it down and they can convert it into the useful material. So it's what they are doing, it is a detoxification. Clear? Now there is another thing is given, that some of the proteins lipid help in building the cell. In some of the protein and lipid they are helping in the what? Cell membranes, they are building the cell membranes. Even that this process is known as what? Membranes biogenesis. Clear? And the protein also sent to various places in what? Cells depending on need. So where there is a need of the protein, they are just transported. that अगर हमारे सेल के अंदर कहीं पे भी जरूरत है तो क्या करेगा, वहां पे भेज देगा या फिर बाहर की तरफ भेजेगा. क्लियर? बनाएगा, मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा और अंदर जिसको जरूरत है उसको देगा या बाहर भेजेगा. क्लियर? लाइक import export system. Clear? Now another is an Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? It is a system of tubules and membranes bounded vesicles. Clear? It is about the systems of tubules and membranes bounded vesicles. What is vesicles? And that we will study in the particular big and large diagram, so we can understand particular better. Clear? And arrange in parallel to each other, that we had already discussed in previous, that they are arranged in what? They are arranged in a parallel form to each other to stay in the crystal. Clear? Now what is the function of the Golgi apparatus? The lipid and protein synthesize, that ribosomes, what they are synthesize, they synthesize the protein. What they are manufacturing? They are protein manufacturing. So lipid and protein synthesize in ER के अंदर जो भी बन रहा है ना, are packed in Golgi apparatus. Means they are just vaping out like a gift product. किसी को आपको गिफ्ट देने तो आप क्या करोगे, उसे वेप आउट करोगे ना, वेपर से बांधोगे. So they are making what? They are vaping out what? They are packing the particular proteins. Clear? Transport material inside and outside the cell. Now also they are doing what? They are also working as a transporters. They are, when there is a need of the protein, they are also transporting that proteins. Clear? It help in the formation of middle lamina. Clear? In the middle particular lamina, that we had already studied about that. What is lamina in the previous lecture? Go in the playlist, you can find out that orange color portion of the cell wall. Clear? Now this is our the diagram. You are seeing that this red portion is what? This nucleus. Clear? Over there you are able to see that ER. Clear? Endoplasmic reticulum. Here we can see that parallel line, and here that dots you are seeing, it's a ribosome. Means what? There is a manufacturing of protein. Now when they manufacture the protein, they goes on this side. Clear? Over that you can see vesicles. Clear? This portion, ये गैप आपको दिख रहा है ना, वो क्या है? वेसिकल्स है. एंड दिस वॉल पोर्शन सबका एकदम पैरेलल जैसा दिख रहा है, देयर इज ए centrioles. Clear? Now this is the tubules that we had already discussed about, that it's a small in size, ball type structure. All the things वो धीरे धीरे tubules के अंदर कन्वर्ट होते जाते हैं. Clear? Now what is a lysosomes? Clear? Lysosomes, these are tiny like granulate containing digestive enzyme. In the lysosome there is a presence of what? Digestive enzymes. These are bounded by the single membranes, and it is bounded with the single membranes. एक ही है बस सर, डबल लेयर नहीं चाहिए हमें. Clear? How they are functioning? The main function is what? They have a digestive enzyme, so main function is digestion. Clear? Now they are kind of waste disposal. If there is a presence of waste thing in our body, so they are making what waste disposal, उसको खत्म करेगा. Help in digestion, foraging and cell materials. So if the presence of the particular any of the cells, so they are making in the digestion. It's also known as what? It's also known as suicide bag. Clear? Why they are suicide bag? The lysosomes are called suicide bag. क्यों उसे suicide bag कहते हैं? This is most time question. That how they are working. So this is our cell and this is our lysosome. Now if the metabolism is disturbed to these particular enzymes, so what they are doing? हमें कोई गुस्से आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? फेंक देते, तोड़ देते. So they are what they are doing? They just digest their own. खुद को खा जाता है. They digest their cell membranes. Clear? Because there is a very powerful digestive system. Clear? So this is the most time question. Clear? Now the fourth is a mitochondria. So what is mitochondria? It is a rod-shaped structure in what? Cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm we had seen that rod type structure. Clear? It's only present in the eukaryotic cell. This is the things. Many of the things is not present in the prokaryotic. In the next chapter we can see that particularly in the big amount that what is eukaryotic, what is prokaryotic. First to which thing is comes in this chapter number 7, the diversity of the life. Clear? कौन पहले आया, कैसे आया, बहुत सारी उसमें इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें दी हुई है. Clear? So it is double membrane structure. Which outer membranes? This is our outer membranes. Clear? Yellow portion you can see is ये red color का. So it is the outer membranes has specific protein. They have a particular specific proteins, and inner membranes fold inside the form of chamber. This violet color is what? It's the inner membranes, and they are folding. Clear? They are in the fold form. Clear? So the chamber is known as what? Cristia. Clear? Now you can able to see that this is the outer portion. This is the outer membranes. Now that this is the inner membranes. This white color portion you can see is what? White color portion. This is a cristia, and in the particular this inner portion, this yellow you can see it's a DNA. Clear? And this yellow white color ball you can able to see is a rhizosomes. Yeah. Now the another point is given that it also called the powerhouse of the cell. It's also known as a powerhouse. So why it is known as powerhouse? Because it generates the energy. All type of energy they are generating, and proteins. Clear? तो वो क्या होगा? That energy that can be stored in like a battery, storage battery, or when we need to do the work, they give us. Clear? Because the cell is the single particle of our body. तो वो क्या होगा? जब भी हमें वर्क करना है, एनर्जी कर तो एनर्जी की जरूरत पड़ेगी. सो दिस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज प्रोवाइड अस द एनर्जी. और जब भी हम ऐसे ही पड़े कहीं जगह पे हमें एनर्जी की जरूरत नहीं है. क्लियर? सो दे आर स्टोरिंग देयर एनर्जी. क्लियर? लाइक अ मोबाइल बैटरी. क्लियर? So what is the function? The main function to produce and store the energy that we have already discussed. That main function is what? It's a particular storing the energy and produce the energy. And where they are storing? They are storing the ATP. Full form याद रखने की जरूरत है. And this is also 1 marks question over there. That where they are storing. Clear? So there is a endocyne triphosphate. It's have their own DNA and the ribosomes. उसके पास खुद का ribosomes and DNA है. Ribosome तो होगा ही सर, because they are generating the energy. Energy comes from the proteins. Clear? So and the DNA also. Now fifth is the plastid. So what is the plastid? They are present only in plants. This plastid is only present in the plants, and it has their own DNA. They have their own DNA because each and every things we know very well that in the particular we are made up of the multicellular, and each cell have their own particular specific job. So some of the particular cells or the organs they have their own DNA. उसके खुद का कुछ DNA होता है. Clear? So it's only present in what? It's only present in the plant cell. Clear? and it's their own DNA. Now this plastid is out of the three type. Clear? One, two, three. One is a leucoplast. What is a leucoplast? Leucoplast is it's a white in color, found in the underground part in the particular plant. Clear? Next is the chromoplast. Chromoplast is the red and the brown portion, and the third is a chloroplast, which is a green in color and found in the aerial part. Aerial part is the middle part, means in the stem. Clear? And also it's present, it's a green in color, so we can observe it. Most of the stems are in the green color, and even in the leaves also. Clear, bachawati? Now it's a function. What is the function of plastid? Is a function that chloroplast and the chromoplast, it is important for photosynthesis. Here we are seeing the chromoplast and the chloroplast. Why? Because it's the red, brown and the green. So the one is in the root portion, another is the aerial portion, means the middle portion. Clear? So it is important for the photosynthesis process. Clear? We know very well that how the photosynthesis process is going on with the sunlight, water, minerals. So from the roots and from the stems we are getting the all type of mineral and the water, and from the sun we are getting the sunlight. But if there is no green pigment in the particular trees, so we are not able to get any of the sunlight, and it is not possible to form the photosynthesis process. Clear? And function of the leucoplast is it store of material such as starch, oil, proteins, granules. Clear? So these both are what this is important for the photosynthesis. लेकिन सर मोबाइल को डायरेक्ट चार्ज पे चलाओगे तो सर चलेगा तो सही, लेकिन रात को तो नहीं होगी ना लाइट, तो आप क्या करोगे? सो वी नीड सम बैटरीज, सो दे आर वर्किंग लाइक a battery, so it's storing all the things. Now vacuoles, these are membranes bounded region in which cytoplasm contain water, amino acids, sugar, various organic acid and some proteins. Vacuoles are the membranes bounded. Vacuole वो membranes bounded होता है. Membranes bounded means what is the outer portion. Clear? Membranes bounded region in the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm there is a particular membranes bound is there. Over there is a presence of water. वहाँ पे हर एक चीज के अंदर वो स्मॉल होल टाइप है ना, वहाँ पे क्या होता है? Water, there is a presence of water, amino acids, sugar, or we can say the starch also. Clear? And the various organic acids which they need. Clear? And some of their protein. Vacuoles are some small size in animal cell, while a plant cell is a very large scale, because in the plant there is a need of this type of things, various organics, so need in very huge amount, because it's a producer, वो अपने आप से खुद का plant बनाते हैं, अपना food बनाते हैं. Clear? So there is a need in the very large vacuoles. उस टाइप से आप समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि उससे खुद का भी बनाना होता है, हमारे लिए भी वो बनाता है फूड. सो देयर नीड वेरी मच अमाउंट ऑफ वॉट वेरियस ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स, वाटर्स, एमिनो एसिड्स, सुगर, स्टार्च, वेरियस ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो इन द पर्टिकुलर प्लांट देयर इज अ लार्ज, and in the animal there is a small of vacuoles. Clear? In single celled like amoeba, vacuoles contain the food item. Clear? So in the single cell, like you can say the amoeba is made up of the single cell. So in the single cell their work like to contain the food items. Clear? Now what's the function? Storage of material, all type of material they are storing. Important role in expelling excess water. So if there is excess amount of water is present, so they are expelling. Clear? Now there is I had told you that last portion we will discuss about the ribosomes. Clear? So what is that? It's a minute particle consists of RNA. We have already studied about the DNA. Now this is a very small particles. Clear? Very small particles. Clear? Over the ER के ऊपर होता है, small particles which contain the protein. Clear? So it's a very minute particles consist of RNA. This is important. Clear? You must know the full form because it can be carries 1 marks. Clear? So RNA is a ribonucleic acid. Clear? Ribosomes are main site of protein synthesis. In the ribosome there is a particular, this is the main things, or you can say the main headquarters to produce the proteins. Clear? To manufacturing the proteins वहां पे ही होगा. Clear? And also the protein transporter to endoplasmic reticulum. In the particular we had studied the reticulum endoplasmic. ER is of the two type, SR and the RER. Clear? And SER. So in the SER there is the absence of protein, and in the RER there is a presence of protein. Why? Because of the particular ribosomes. So how there is a presence? Because of these ribosomes. Ribosomes is come from in the ribosomes they produce what? Protein and send it to the endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So here our chapter is completed. So hope you had complete all the things and understand each and every concept. आपको हर एक concept समझ में आ गया होगा with the easy way. कि plant और human body बहुत ही easy way, क्योंकि हमारे पास cell है. We have the cell particular, वहाँ पे एक particular nucleus है. हमने cell क्या है वो study किया है. Clear? Cell किससे बना हुआ है, तो उसके बाहर के पोर्शन स्टडी किए, सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स. ओवर दैट वी कम्स टू द पर्टिकुलर न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस किससे बना हुआ, उसके बाहर है न्यूक्लियस मेम्ब्रेन्स. इवन दैट सेल और न्यूक्लियस के बीच में एक पोर्शन रह जाता है, देयर इज अ साइटोप्लाज्म. इन द साइटोप्लाज्म देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स. क्लियर? वो हमने टर्न बाय टर्न्स उसके क्या काम होते हैं, हाउ दे वर्क. क्लियर? वो हमने स्टडी कर लिया है. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द अमेजिंग चैप्टर्स. क्लियर बच्चा बाटी? सो हियर यू आर स्टडीइंग द अमेजिंग एंड द इजी वे टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द साइंस. मतलब कि आइडिया साइंस का. क्लियर? कि उसका क्या है. So this is Sufyan Saraved explaining you the easy and the amazing things. Till then, stay tuned with us. Do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye. Stay at your home.